Hi guys, Retrocengo here. This video is directly to Spooky Pinball. We all know that their Halloween pinball machine, the audio part is just not the best experience. Yes, it has got the music from the movie. When we're watching the movie Halloween 1, it's incredible. On the pinball machine, it just doesn't work. It's too boring. I have the solution. New game. Left flipper, movie music. Right flipper, my girl Sophie Lloyd's shredded version of Halloween. This is what you guys need to do. You have to contact Sophie Lloyd and let her make an amazing audio package for your Halloween pinball machine, so we can just press that start button and that right flipper button and choose this rock out version. Come on, do it now. Watch this, listen to this, enjoy this. I know you will love this, and maybe with a much better audio package we could save this pinball and make it much more enjoyable. Check this out, guys. Check it out. Now just imagine this music while playing the Halloween pinball machine. Wouldn't it be great? I would love it. I will put a link to my girl Sophie's YouTube channel. She has got great music. Go in and check her masterpieces out. I love everything she does. Have a great day out there. Bye.